So good morning. I am Radha Lakshmi from Solamalai College of Engineering, Madurai, Tamil Nadu. So we are our team members, Pandya and Deva and Bhupati and Jeevita and Arul Kumar and Subhash Badi. We are from EEE department. So my problem statement is automated public lighting system. So the to optimize that public lighting system by two control methodology. So time schedule control and motion controller. So two control is obtained by the technology, that is IR sensor and a microcontroller and RTC controller. So by using that technology, we can reduce the energy consumption of the lighting system and also cost of the lighting system. Actually, in a conventional method, the lights are turned on during daytime also. So the energy consumption has increased. So the cost of the system also increased. So now we are consider the night time, that is 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. divided into two half. The first half, that is 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. the light glow in full brightness. After 11 to 6 a.m. the light glow in the dim position. So for that consideration, the energy consumption and the cost of the system is reduced. This is our goal, that is to optimize the public lighting system.